Welcome to this energizing yoga journey, designed for body toning, children's balance, and overall health. Whether you're a beginner or a young explorer of yoga, these 12 poses will help you build strength, flexibility, and focus, one breath at a time. Take a deep breath. Inhale positivity. Exhale all your stress. Let's begin. Mountain pose. Stand tall, feet together. Feel your body rise with confidence, like a mountain rooted to the earth. Engage your core, open your chest, and lift your chin slightly. This pose improves posture and prepares your body for all the movement ahead. Tree pose. Now shift your weight to one foot and lift the other, placing it on your thigh. Find your balance. Bring your palms together in front of your heart. You are a tree, steady, graceful, and full of life. This pose builds balance and concentration, perfect for children learning to stay still and focused. Chair pose. Bend your knees and sit back as if you're lowering into an invisible chair. Keep your arms raised, chest lifted. Feel the strength building in your thighs and core. This pose tones your legs and glutes, awakening your inner power. 1. Step 1 foot back, bend the front knee, and stretch your arms up. You are a warrior, strong, calm, and fearless. Hold your ground and breathe deeply. This pose strengthens your arms, shoulders, and spine, promoting both power and confidence. Downward facing dog. Now come to the floor, hands and feet pressing firmly into your mat. Lift your hips high, forming an upside-down V. Let your head relax between your arms. This pose stretches your hamstrings and back, improving circulation and flexibility. Cobra pose. Lie on your belly, place your palms beneath your shoulders, and gently lift your chest. Look ahead, feel the stretch through your chest and spine. Cobra pose strengthens the back muscles and opens the heart center, improving posture and lung capacity. Child's pose. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the mat. Feel your breath slow down. This pose calms the mind and gently stretches the back, a moment of peace and grounding. Plank pose. Come forward, placing your hands under your shoulders, toes tucked. Hold your body in one straight line. Engage your abs, your glutes, your whole being. This pose is incredible for core strength and endurance, the foundation of a toned body. Boat pose. Sit on your mat, lift your legs, and extend your arms forward. Balance on your sit bones, like a steady boat on calm waters. This pose tones your abs and hip flexors, building strength and stability. Butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together and let your knees fall outwards. Flap your knees gently like butterfly wings. This relaxing stretch improves hip flexibility and encourages a feeling of lightness and joy, especially for kids. Bridge pose. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips upward. Interlace your fingers beneath you, pressing your arms into the mat. This pose strengthens your back, glutes, and legs while opening your chest and heart. Corpse pose. Now gently lie flat on your back. Close your eyes. Let your arms and legs relax completely. Feel your breath, calm, slow, and steady. This is your moment of stillness, your reward for the effort. Let every muscle soften. Let your thoughts drift away. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Open your eyes with a smile.